everybody, welcome back to Coffee with the Mom. So I'm super excited today because I got a really good Valentine's Day gift, and it was something that I said that I wanted to get myself, but it is the recipe book. Now I've already changed it over. I'm so excited to show you guys, but I'm gonna show you real quick just how I changed it up. First, I'm going to show you guys what it was like before. I'm going to show you the inside, everything about it, all little cute things that are in it. And then I will show you after how I made it into this cute little one. It definitely needs a little bit of work, but I was so excited. I wasn't planning on getting it yet, so I didn't have everything that I wanted to kind of jazz it up per se, but yeah, I just wanted to show you because I'm so excited. So this is my recipe book from the Happy Planner. I'm so excited because I've been wanting this for a long time, and now I can get all of my recipes in one big thing. There's so many pages, but I will show you that. All right, I will put that in right now. So sorry that the video is sideways, but this is the front. It comes with 4 little different tab stickers that you can put on there to change it up if you'd like. They have the 2 different magnetized on each side. So this is kind of like if you want to just like keep a bunch of them pages all together, or like your place. And then that is the back of the cookbook. And then here in the front of the cookbook, which I thought was really nice, is they have a page that tells you different table settings. So they have a casual one and they have a formal one, and whatever that pasta is on the side, that looks good too. I wish they had those recipes in there, but I think that this is very nice idea, different. So family favorites, and I am going to switch these up. So the family favorites comes first, so it's nice. They have the recipe on the top, ingredients, and then the preparation of how you need to do it, and then it says how many it serves, main ingredients, how hard it is, your prep time, your cook time, the temperature you cook it at, and notes. And then it also has things that you can serve that dish with. And then the next we have our main dish, and on the back of that one you have the different cuts of meat. Very interesting. I actually like this because it is kind of, you do buy different cuts of meat, so now you can know where they come from. Then they have the entertaining one, which I am going to be changing these up once I get a little bit of time. I'm going to make them more Harry Potter-ish. And then they have a slow cooker section, which I think is a super smart idea. So everything's fairly similar up to they have where you cook it on high or low. I thought that was really nice. They also have like a healthy one, so that could be one more for healthy dishes or vegan dishes, vegetarian ones. Then they have quick and easy dishes, which I think I'm going to use that for appetizers, change that up a little bit. The dessert one is super cute. I may keep that one and just add some stuff to it, but I do like the look of that one. And then they have the miscellaneous one, which I will keep, but I think I'm just going to use that for like empty pages. On the back of that though, they have measurements, the different measurements and what they equal out to if you need to break them down, if you need to cut something in half or double it. They also have a cute little shopping list thing, and you can write down everything you need, and then you can just rip it right out. They come with some super, super cute stickers, which I will use once I start actually putting my recipes in the book. And then in the very back of the book, they do have an envelope, which I think is nice. If you start making one, like a recipe, and you don't finish, you can throw it in there. That's the back of the book. Now, this is the new front of the book, which you've seen before. I love Harry Potter. And then I'm going to use the little tabs she gave me. I think I'm going to use those like for ones that I want to make, dishes I want to make. And what I did was, first I did the family favorites, which I think I keep that in front because I feel like I'm going to use those the most. And then I went to quick and easy. So for me, quick and easy are going to be appetizers. I'm going to change that up a little bit. And then what I have next is main dishes. So these are your main dishes that you would make. And those can be family favorites too. It's just how you want to break these things up. And then what you're going to see is a slow cooker, which I think that I will definitely use more. So I put that more up front next. And then we have the entertaining. Now these are things that you make when it's a holiday time or when people come over. And then what I have here is the next is the healthy fare. So that's like your healthy dishes, which I will keep that because, you do want to have some healthy things on hand. And then we have our desserts, which I'm very excited to add those in there. And then we have the miscellaneous ones, which is in the back. And then I just stuck everything back in that folder for when I need it for the pictures. And then here is the back of the book, which I think is super cute too. So this is all I've done so far to the book. I can't wait to get some things, add them in. I'll keep you guys posted. I will show you once I have added more recipes in there. I think this is going to be fairly easy to use. I'm very excited. But I hope you guys enjoyed my little quick video on my very exciting new Happy Planner recipe book. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. All right, bye.